Ticket to success. Ticket to success. Folks, in this video, we're going to talk about a brand new product by Phil Johansen and Dan Khan. I'm going to do a review on it. Is it really worth it? We'll talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Timothy Thomas here. Super excited to be with you today. Hey, before we get started with the video, guys, go ahead and like this video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. My channel, guys, is about affiliate marketing and helping you to exponentially grow your income. Folks, Ticket to Success. Let's take a look at it. I want to show you my thoughts on this program. I want to show you what you're getting into when you buy this product. So, guys, let's take a look at, we're going to look around the website. We're going to walk over to the back office, check it out, and we're going to see if there's value here. I also want to show you some custom bonuses that I put together for you. The vendor has put together some bonuses, and I want to look at those bonuses, and then we're going to go and look at some custom bonuses that I put together if you decide to get the product through my link. Guys, I'm super excited to review this product. Guys, Phil and Dan have put together such a great product here, and I am excited about it, and I'm going to show you what is involved in this program. It is a way that whether you're a newbie marketer or an experienced marketer, exponentially grow your income through promoting products, whatever the niche is, whatever your niche is, whatever is affiliate marketing or name it. This product can potentially help to grow whatever you're promoting exponentially with minimum effort. Guys, it has unlimited ways to grow your income through the funnels that are provided. This is the secret conversion system, and they're going to show you how to exponentially convert your product. I mean, it's like converting products on steroids. It says the secret system that makes us 5 times higher affiliate commissions than a working hard marketer with years of experience. Folks, this is the blueprint that even complete beginners are using, guys, to get commissions daily. It is an all-exclusive system from A to Z, from getting commissions in any niche. And we're going to show you that, guys. I am going to, just a moment, show you the bonuses. And again, we're going to walk around. I'm going to show you what's in the back office, how you can get access to their YouTube channels and their Facebook page, and we will go from there. Just a little sneak peek, guys, before we go to the back office, and I'm going to show you some of these tabs here, some of the training, the marketing, the resources. Here is Dan's channel. I've been following Dan for a while, and guys, his training is top notch. I have been following Phil for a while, and his training is top notch. Really, I get this excited about a product. It's been a while since I got excited about this product. Since a product this great. The last time, guys, I did a review was with, Shuffler, with Brian Winter's product. I did a Shuffler review, guys. Y'all remember I did several Shuffler reviews. So many of these products, guys, just great products here. And I'm going to walk you over here, guys, and show you some custom bonuses. Let me show you here that I have for you in just a minute. Some free bonuses that if you decide to pick this thing up through your link. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of it. All right. This is a unique affiliate marketing system that will turn and has the potential to turn struggling people, even newbies, into sales and commissions, that your efforts in any niche. Folks, we are talking about making potentially thousands weekly, and if you scale up properly, thousands daily. Even with this, guys, with this product, Jazz Deep is selling a product, guys, that I believe is around $1,000, where you can get this one. I consider pennies on the dollar. I'm going to show you some of the upsells that are involved in it and what you're getting into the back. We're launched this thing. It launches on January the 24th, whether you're looking at it as I record this video just as a few days from now. So get in position, guys, and get ready, set, go. All right. With this thing, the front end, guys, you can pick the front end for $37. It has an OTO upsell for $67. The next upsell is $97. The next one is $97, and the next one is $497. Now watch this, guys. You're gonna get access to the product, which is the back office, the training videos, and guys, there's so much value here. When you decide to go a step further, you want to 20 times X your efforts. You go to the next product, and then if you want to go to the mastery, guys, 800% income master, income blaster, folks. This is where to go. And then you're talking about another traffic mastery product here for $97. And guys, this is warrior intelligence. This is where the rubber meets the road. I'm talking about this is separating you from the other 97% of people that fail. This is putting you in the top 3 to 5% of people that make $100,000 plus. And that is exciting. And here is what the product is all about. But before we're going to dive into here, I'm going to talk about these different upgrades, what you're getting into, and then we'll go from there. Let me show you some of the custom bonuses that we have. All right. Bonus number 1. When you pick up, this is what the vendor is providing for us. Secret conversion protocol. It eliminates competition. Folks, you can get 5 times the conversions than other marketers and never have to worry about competition again. This is going to put you at a competitive edge to exponentially grow your income through your results. It's going to have secret strategies, tips to help promote your product that you haven't even thought about. Skip the mistakes and unlock shortcut commissions. Value $997. Unlimited traffic resources. Rocket fuel, guys, and then you can massively unlock pools of customers and tap into over and over again. And you can drive floods of targeted traffic on demand. Folks, that's bonus number 2. Phil and Dan have put that together. That's another about $1,000 value. Product Profits Masterclass. Insider secrets, guys, defining hot selling products. It's all about the product that you're selling. If you're selling a great product and you have traffic, you got a winning formula. If you're selling a great product and traffic, you got a winning formula. Avoid the common mistakes, guys, that kills profits. And you can leverage your product, and guys, you can scale up your commissions. And they said it's even idiot proof. That's about a $500 value. Okay, master buyer magic. Okay, turn one-time buyers. Watch this, folks. This is the secret sauce. You can turn one-time buyers into Raven fans and customers for life. So that whatever you're selling, they have a credit card in hand, ready to buy. Folks, that's what you want to get into. That's the kind of training that you want to find out. What makes people buy over and over and over again? You can learn this, guys. That's bonus number 4. Proven strategies to maximize profits with your audience without spamming them. And you know what? We don't want to spam our list. We want to add value. And that's what you will learn here in bonus number 4. Mass buyer magic. What the other one will call Product Profits Masterclass. Let's look at bonus number 5. Breakthrough bonus mastery. Our stupid, simple hack, guys, that people can use to have a shortcut to turbocharging your commissions. Guys, they call this the breakthrough bonus mastery. Step by step, you can't fail formula. Works even if you're not an expert in anything. This is another about $1,000 value. Look at the value, guys. I mean, this is real world value, guys. If you pay for this training elsewhere, you're going to have to pay this much, guys. Proven step-by-step blueprint. Walk you from A to Z. Bulletproof action plan to copy and paste. The fastest way to results with no guesswork. $500 value. Bonus number 6. Proven step-by-step blueprint to success. And guys, you can access all of this. Look at this. Ticket to success. $500 value. Mind game mastery, become unstoppable. It's about $200 value. $300 value. A private Facebook group, a community. That's about a $300 value. Done for you, guys. Funnel. Done for you. Funnel, guys, are built into this system. That's a bonus. $247 value, bonus, the secret conversion pool. And guys, it goes on and on and on. The total bonuses, guys, you're talking about $5,720 in bonuses. If you want to start making consistent profits and scale up your income through multiple streams of income, folks, then the system is for you. You can get all in one cost for just access, guys. $37 this is what we're going to introduce this product as. And click here, you can get access to it. Very, very excited about this product, guys. And you're getting all of this, guys, for a one-time product buy for $37. Look at the value. Now, guys, here's some of my custom bonuses on top of the already $5,720 worth of bonuses. Here's some custom bonuses that I prepared for you. Some free bonuses and more, guys. Value, value, value. Do you see value? Smash that like button, guys, if you appreciate it. Guys, I'm going to give you access, guys, to Art of Marketing. Everybody know Art of Marketing. He's done a case study where he was able to, right here, earn $408 in about 45 minutes. Guys, I'm going to access to that, how you can get $400 a day. Look, 45 minutes, real life case study. And Art's going to walk you through this. There's Art right there. And tremendous value. Here is another one, guys. Let me show you. We're going to give you access to this video editor software. This is software, guys, you can use to record videos. And I'm going to give it to you for free. I was able to get access to this thing. Real world value, guys. You're talking about a $300 value right here. You can edit videos, multi-timelining, editing, screen capture, so much more. It's an amazing software. I'm going to give you access to that. Let's see what else we got for you. We're going to give you access, guys, to piggyback profits, guys. You can use this, guys, that affiliates are using this to make up to $2,000 per day in just a few minutes of simple effort. And you can get access to this. A Facebook fan page automator. Guys, you're going to be able to get unlimited fans to your Facebook page. I'm going to give you that software for free. Guys, I'm going to give you another revolutionary platform that you can generate clicks to any website of your choosing, guys, in 24 hours or less. And we're going to show you how to scale it up through this software that I'm going to provide for you here. Guys, all of this is going to be when you buy it, it's going to be downloadable for you. And if you have any trouble, guys, send me an email. I'll make sure you get your bonuses. Right here, last but not least, guys, we're going to give you another access to newbie-friendly automated viral traffic system. And it can deliver red-hot buyers 100% on autopilot without paying a dime. We're going to give you access to that, guys. This is how I get so much access to my products. And, guys, I'm telling you what, we're able to produce sales after sales after sales. Just let me see some of my commissions that I'm able to get into these products, guys. Look at sales after sales simply by just utilizing some of these things that I have learned in the products. All right. Let's look at the back office, guys, real quick, and then we'll go from there. Right here, guys, in the back office, guys, you can be able to join Phil's. Phil's going to give you an introductory message, tell you what you're getting into, walk you around the back office. You can get access to his Facebook page, Instagram page, and his YouTube channel. And you can also get access to Dan's Facebook page. Let me slow down a bit. Try to keep the videos, guys, around 15 minutes. And then, guys, look at what you're getting into. I'm going to do another video talking a little bit more about the back office training, and we'll go from there. Guys, you're going to get set up for success. This is your first tab. You're going to get welcome. You're going to join our Facebook group. You're going to find out why 85% fail, visualizing success, what is your why, becoming a marketer, and module complete. You're going to get success mastery. Guys, on all these tabs, guys, I mean, you got day 1, do this. Day 2, do this. Day 3, do this. Day 4, we got the 10K challenge, the 5K challenge. We've got step-by-step summary, guys. This is exciting. I highly recommend this product. Success to automated series, guys. Look at this. Look at the value, guys. You're going to show you how to get your domain set up. This is taking the newbie marketer, brand new people, and show them how to exponentially have success and scale up their business. Now, if you're an advanced marketer, guys, I mean, what could you do with this product. Get response set up, creating your opt-in page, get response integration. Guys, these are all the things that you as a marketer need to know. Video setup, bonus page. And guys, all these things can help you learn how to earn a full-time income from the comfort of home. Step-by-step YouTube mastery. If you want to learn how to do YouTube videos, this, that, and the other, guys, done for you video ideas, outsourcing. Do you know, guys, you can outsource this stuff? You don't have to do the videos yourself. Powerful thumbnail design. And it's all about thumbnails. I'm going to stop there, guys. How to rank your videos. This is exciting. And guys, this is actionable steps that I have been using from time to time. How to get more leads, guys. And it goes on and on and on and on, guys. I could not more highly recommend this product. I would ask, guys, when you purchase through the link below, you're going to get access to all those bonuses, all the custom bonuses, guys, and how you can potentially scale your income beyond your wildest imaginations. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I'm going to do a second video. I could not cover all of it. It's so much value here, and we'll go from there. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next review video.